I like that your camera has light.
Mm-hmm.
Mine has a light, but I don't think it comes on unless it's nighttime.
It's Sophia and her swing.
Because we got this thing all... I was just going to say, what did Jill do? She
Oh.
put her in there.
We couldn't get her in very good. We're not professionals like he is.
Her little legs are in the way. I'm putting them to mash them.
Oh, sweet pea, give us a smile.
She was smiling big. There we go. Now she's smiling.
Camera's a little blurry. Well, there's Sophia and her swing.